Let's dive deeper with a few examples. In this video, we are going to build story maps for a ride-sharing app like Uber and a flight reservation service like Expedia. Let's get started. First, we start with the user persona, or who is going to use the product. Uber is used by drivers and commuters. A flight reservation service could be used by travelers, travel agents, or even by airline staff. The next step is to map these personas to their goals. A job story is a great format to describe your goals along with a user's situation, motivations, and the expected outcome into a purposeful statement. Going back to our Uber example, a commuter expects to book a cab. We can elaborate this as a job story to add more context. When I need to go somewhere, I want to book a cab so that I can reach my destination on time. Let's look at story maps for Expedia. A traveler expects to reserve a flight. Let's describe this as a job story. When I'm traveling to another city, I want to book the most suitable flight so that I don't compromise on my family's comfort and schedule. As you may notice, the expectations of a business traveler could be different from a leisure traveler, so we can create another persona to visualize their journeys differently. Once we have a good understanding of the user's goals and motivations, we want to start thinking of how they are going to achieve those goals. When I'm booking a cab, I would look for a cab around me, tell the driver where I want to go, negotiate on the price, ride to my destination, and then pay the driver. Similarly, for our flight reservation example, when I'm booking a ticket, I would specify the travel details, see all my options and narrow down with some criteria. If I'm not happy with my options, I might widen my search. Then I would select the most suitable option and make a payment. Remember that user activities are meant to visualize the thought process, so we'll avoid any technical details or product interactions at this stage. Goals and activities summarize a user's expectations from our product. Next, we want to come up with features to fulfill these expectations within our product. For the Uber example, when I'm looking for a cab around me, I could provide the current location by selecting a landmark, or maybe the app could detect location from the phone's GPS. I want to see an estimated waiting time before a driver shows up. I could see a list of all the drivers who are near me and talk to them. Instead of a list, maybe I could see all the drivers on a map. With this approach, your team can drill down to a specific point in the customer journey and generate ideas to optimize the user experience. As you use this approach for all the personas, goals, and activities, you get a huge map that represents the end-to-end flow of your product from a customer's perspective. To explore further, check out our repository of story maps for some popular products.